A non-uniform rod AB of length 5 meter and mass 15 kg. It's resting horizontally, suspended from the ceiling by two vertical strings attached at C and D. AC is 1 meter, AD is 3.5. Let's again take AC. AB total length is 5 meters. So AB length is 5 meters. Mass 15 kg. Resting horizontally, suspended from ceiling by two vertical strings at C and D. AC length is, C is here, let us say, because it is hanging, there will be a tension TC here. Now AC distance is 1 meter and A to D distance is 3.5 meter. So D is here. Again you will have tension TD here. Given that the center of mass is at E, so let us say this point is E, this is where center of mass is, and AE distance is given. AE distance is given as 3 meters. Find the magnitude of tensions. So this is the mass. Mass means, okay, so let us say mg. Let us say mg is the total weight. Okay. So we have to find the tensions. Okay, this is given now. M value is given, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see here it's given as 15. So 15g is the weight. It is acting at E. AE distance is given. So all the distances are given from A. So we can find the tensions easily. So first we have to take sigma V. So TC is upwards, TD is upwards, 15G is downwards. So total should be 0. So TC plus TD is 15G, equation 1. Then we have to take moments. Moments, let's take about point C. Moment about point C. So first 15G into this distance. Distance is CE. So what is CE distance? CE can be written as AE minus AC. Okay. AE value is
Yes.
3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So CE is 2. And this is acting in clockwise direction, so minus. The next is TD. TD times CD distance. So CD distance is AD minus AC. 3.5 minus 1, that is 2.5. Okay.
Yes.
This one is acting in which direction? Anti-clockwise, so it is positive. So total should be 0. So we have to find the value of TD. TD is 15 times 2 is 30G. On the other side it becomes positive, divided by 2.5. So what do we get? 30 by 2.5, 12. So I'll just write it in terms of G, 12G. Okay. Then
Yes.
TC will be 15G minus TD. Give me a minute. Hello sir, good evening. Sir, बोलिए sir. Okay sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes. Yes sir. Yes sir. ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఉన్నాయి సార్ వాళ్ళది? Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
So TC value 15 minus 12, you will get 3G, no?
Yes.
So now we know both the values of TC and TD, both values we know. What is asked in the question? Find the magnitude of tension. So A bit is over. A bit he is asking about tensions, we found the tensions. Then B bit, when a particle of mass 9 kg is attached. So for B bit, let's take a different color. Oh, so it's not color. Let's take a different color. Which color? Let's go with pink. Okay. So for B bit, let's take a different color. Now, mass of 9 kg is attached to the rod at F. The tension in the string at D is twice the tension in the string at C. So let us attach D point, we don't know where it is. So let us attach it for here now, for now. Now this is adding a weight. How much weight it is adding? 9G weight it is adding here, correct? So he's telling after adding this weight,
Yes.
after adding this weight, tension in the string at D is twice. Tension in that string at D is TD. This is twice the tension in the string at TC. So this rule is given for extra. So this is for B bit. So now let's solve for B bit. Okay.
Yes.
To find the distance AF. This is not attached at D. This is attached at F. No. This is F point. Okay. So he's asking us to find the value of AF. AF equal to how much? Okay. So let us write that AF length as X. Let us assume that as X. And now let us again form the relations. So first relation again sigma V. So RC. Now this is different. So let us put RC dash. Oh, sorry. This is tensions now. So TC. And because this TC and this TC are different, let us put TC dash after adding the force. So TC dash plus TD dash minus 9G minus 15G. This total should be equal to 0. So TC dash plus TD dash, we will get it as 9 plus 15 is 24. So 24G. On the other side, it becomes positive. This is equation number 1. Now let's go with moments. Moments about A point again. One minute. We didn't solve it completely. So here we know the relation between TD dash and TC dash. Let us substitute it. So TC dash plus 2 times TC dash equals 24G. We get 3 times TC dash equal to 24G. So 3 cancels here. 3 8 is 24. So that gives us 8G. Correct. So TC dash is 8G. And we have been told to find the distance AF. In order to find that, we should also know TD. So TD dash, how much is that? TD dash is 2 times TC dash, that is 2 times 8G. So 2 8 is 16G. So TD dash also we found it. TD dash and TC dash. Now we have to take moment. Okay. So sigma M. Moment about which point? Let's take moment about A point. Now here we have TC into AC. AC length is 1 anti-clockwise, so positive. And 9G into AF. AF length we are taking it as X. This is clockwise minus 15G. The length is AE. AE length is 3 meters. This is also clockwise, so minus. Then TD length is AD. AD length is 3.5. This one is anti-clockwise, so positive. So this total should be equal to 0. So now we need to solve this equation. and we will get the value of x. TC dash, TD dash, everything is known, so find it. So 9gx, we sent it to the other side. TC dash is 8g minus 15g into 3 plus TD dash is 16g into 3.5. Okay.
Yes.
So g will cancel from all the places, divided by g. So x will be equal to this total divided by 9. So take your calculator, find it. 8 minus 15 plus 16, sorry, into 3 is there, no, here, plus 16 times 3.5 divided by 9, so 2.11. Okay,